all, Sarah Batchelor here, the Neuro-Spicy music teacher, and I'm still a teacher here in the province of Alberta. I've been sharing a lot through videos, conferences, and sessions and professional learning over the last few years, and I've decided it's time to expand that support a little further. So this video here is the soft launch of something I've been building, and I'm calling it the First Downbeat. What it's going to be is a year-long mentorship class and resource program for new, early career, or new to beginner band teachers, because beginner band is amazing, but it is a lot. You're trying to figure out instrument choices, classroom routines, first sounds, method books, concerts, assessment practices, repairs, parent communications, students with different needs, and somehow you're expected to magically know how to do this the first time. And I don't think you should have to figure it out alone. So the First Downbeat is designed to walk teachers through the school year with live group classes, recordings, in case you missed the group classes, practical resources, templates, checklists, planning tools, and an option for individual mentorship. We're going to cover everything from setting up your program and running what I call an instrument petting zoo, to those first sounds and how to get kids going through an event I call Squeak and Squawk. We'll talk about rehearsal routines. We'll dive into supporting diverse learners, even looking at things like assigning instruments through the lens of diagnoses, right? Maybe some things we didn't talk about in university. We're going to talk about how to plan a concert. We're going to talk about assessment, and I roll my eyes at that just because I know you're going to have 5 million students to assess, but we'll figure out a way to make this work for you. We're going to talk about advocacy. We're going to talk about planning forward. And I've got my kids in the background. But this class is going to be practical. It's going to be realistic and neuroaffirming. And it's going to be built for real music classrooms, not imaginary perfect ones. I'm providing you with 2 options for our founding year. The first level, our tier, is called Ensemble Access. And this is going to give you the group classes, the recordings, the resources, and the cohort support. And then I'm offering First Chair Mentorship, which includes the full course plus individual mentorship. And that one is going to be limited to 4 teachers because I want to do a really good job of it. So if you are new to beginning band, returning to beginning band, or suddenly, surprise, you're assigned a beginning band program, or maybe you just want some structure and support, you can check out the details on my website, theneurospicymusicteacher.com, and then click on the card that'll take you to the Downbeat. I'll also put the link in the description below. And if you know a teacher who might need this, please send it their way, because beginning band teachers deserve support. And often you're alone in your building, and unless you have a mentor within the division, it's a lot. It's a lot even when you've been doing it as long as I have, which is, this will be my 27th year. But I just want to be that teacher and mentor that I always needed. And I'm here to support you and make mistakes with you and learn together. So if that sounds like something that you would benefit from, please check out the links and sign on up. We're going to be starting in August, and it's going to start out with weekly sessions through August and September, Thursday nights at this point, and then it will be monthly for October through June. There may be some more sessions offered later in the year as we need them. If we come up with a topic, I'm like, you know what, we really need to delve into score study, let's go there. But it will not increase the cost. Also, if you're doing the mentorship, which is more individual, you will receive weekly meetings with me for all of August and September, and then monthly meetings after that. And if you need more support, we can negotiate and figure that out. So have a look at my packages. If you have questions, reach out. I'm really excited to work with all of these cool new people I'm going to get to meet, and I'm really excited about it. So hope to see you there.